right, so even if you're running late, you still have to do your makeup. So here we go. So we're gonna start with Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm mixing 2 different colors here. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush here. I'm gonna just start by putting a little bit of foundation all over the skin. We're hanging out with, you know, one of my really good friends. And so this is a casual situation. We're not gonna be going for a full, really intense makeup moment. We're just trying to make sure the skin looks even. So I'm gonna use Wander Beauty's Dualist Concealer. This is closer to my skin tone, so I'll just use it in the areas that I need a little bit more coverage. This is rich. And then I'm gonna use, the lighter one is Golden Medium. So I'm gonna take this and just put it right underneath my eye. I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's her number 4. We're gonna take this top of my forehead so we can make my forehead look a little bit smaller, and a little on the cheek, down the sides of my nose. So I'm gonna take this eye color. This is by 241 Cosmetics. This is called Sunrise, and I'm gonna put this over the lid. I'm just gonna tap it. I like how that looks. This is by this company called Joss Cosmetics, and they've got these really cute browns in here. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and we're just gonna take that and put it right into the crease of the eye. So we're gonna take Benefit's number 4 brow pencil. I'm gonna start here at the end of the brow, and I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker at the end. This is Maybelline Sky High. I'm gonna take this and just start at the bottom and then wiggle and pull through. This is by Bobbi Brown as well. This is called Sepia. This is a really cool powder. It's by this company called Ket Cosmetics. It's called Ket Set. It really takes away all of the shine very, very quickly. This is by Dior. This is number 60. So you can put that in the center on top. Take a little bit of this Bobbi Brown. This is in the color Pretty Pink. My recent obsession with lip liner is actually this one. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. She has Pillow Talk in like a couple different colors, but this is number 3. And it's like this super beautiful brown color. This is by Bobbi Brown. This is Rich Cocoa. Let's use Mali's Kiss Me Tinted Lip Oil. I feel good. Do you feel good? I feel good. Okay, I think we should go now. Let's go.